In this video, I'm going to show you how we can monitor the live trading of the robots. So here are our two installations. The first one is our retracement strategy. The second one is the price action strategy. So what I normally do is I just rename these folders here so I can easily identify the robots. So let's take a look at what's been happening with the retracement robot. So far it has taken 6 trades, all of which are winners. We've had 6 winners and no losers, and our profit so far is 2.57%. So one thing that's useful to do is to put the min-max indicator onto the chart. So if you go into the navigator and indicators, just scroll down and drag min-max onto the chart, and that displays these percentages here. So this is the current floating profits, the maximum and the minimum floating profits. So this can be a useful tool to decide how you're going to determine what portfolio profit to set here. So 2% is what I typically use, but you may possibly alter that in the future depending on how you see it trading. So we can also see how these trades are played out. If we click on the account history, we can just go to the entry in here and drag it onto the chart. Hit the plus key to expand the bars. So here we see this trade here, entered on the break of the bar and closed here. The CAD-yen trade entered here, and then with the news from Japan on the interest rate decision, that triggered the exit here. So we could have gone for a lot more there, but that's where the robot exited. I think that was at a horizontal level. So if we drag the HOS levels indicator onto the chart, you'll see that that was the exit there when the price hit that horizontal level there. And you can also see from the display here how the targets are set. So take profit is set to a horizontal level, and there is only one exit for this strategy at the moment, which is on horizontal levels. And then if you want to clear these markers here, just hit the C key, and that will clear any arrows on the chart. And normally I leave the robot running on the euro dollar, although for multi-currency robots like this one, any currency will work. But I would hit return and then just type in euro dollar in here, and that takes me back to the euro dollar chart. So at the moment we have one open trade, CAD Swiss. So if I drag that onto the chart, we can see how that's doing. So nice downtrend here. So hopefully this continues, and our profit target is down here. So let's take a look at the price action robot now. So we're in a trade at the moment, the Aussie dollar. So we've entered after this high test bar here. So it's not clear where this is heading at the moment. It has bounced, so we're back to roundabout break even at the moment. So one way I monitor the performance of multiple robots is I have an extra chart window. So let's create a euro dollar chart, and then just drag in the indicators the profit tracker on there. You can resize that window. So this will show you the results for the current month of each of these robots here. So overall, we're in a slight loss, but hopefully that can be recovered relatively easily. I have also made a few further optimizations, so I'll be releasing those in the near future. So this is a useful way to track these results. I would normally keep this iconized, so just minimize that window, and then when you tile the windows, there is the profit tracker window. So that's how things stand at the moment. That's a couple of useful tips there for tracking results. And then just glancing at all the robots, you can see the green text indicates when you've got some profit there. So total profit on your dollar, 31.90. The pounds in profit, as is the Swissy. Not yet in profit on the dollar yen or the Aussie dollar, and no trades yet on the Kiwi.